So what do you reckon then?
There's an awful lot of snow transport going on up there. Should be interesting to go and see.
Skier drops in off the head wall and immediately releases a soft slab avalanche. Turns into it, doesn't realise what's going on, sees it, turns away and skis out to the side. Avalanche runs full length, terminating in the moraine talus at the bottom. We headed over to the crown of the avalanche, dug a representative pit close by, got test results, compression test moderate on the wind slab, no surprises there.
Go and have a look at the debris.
Yeah.
You go first, then you can shag your skis. So what we got here then? Jeez. Alright, talk us through it.
So already dropped in above us here. The wind slab, the wind line slope came down and entrained an awful lot of snow. Debris that's come down, there's enough there to kind of wreck a small car, so it's fairly substantial. And of course the end zone is all of these rocks, so if he had been caught, he'd well, if he wasn't buried, he'd have been strained through all the rocks. So
let's go and have a look at the debris then.
It looked like there was a fair bit came down, but
didn't think it was this much.
Enough to spoil your day, and that's just with 14 centimetres of soft slab that's gone. Just by the amount that it's propagated across the slope for 100 metres.
Do you think this might be the first human-triggered avalanche in Scotland this winter?
I would say that's quite probable.
Yeah.
Certainly the biggest so far.
Yeah.
Giddy up.